of which complexes dibromido bis ethane 1,2-diamine chromium 3 bromide. We have 4 options here. So what is the ligand here? Bromide is the ligand which is going to repeat twice, and En, this is ethane 1,2-diamine, but it is given bis, so these two are the ligands, and chromium is the metal. So these should be present inside the coordination sphere. And the counter ion would be bromide. So when we write the formula of the complex, we are going to get Cr, and bromine is the first ligand, bromido, and ethane 1,2-diamine is the next ligand, and we have the formula Br, and the charge here is +3, the charge here is -1, and the charge on this is 0, and the charge on this would be -1. The charge here because of this is +1, so the valency, the charges crisscross are balanced, and we are going to get the formula of the complex as Cr Br2 En twice Br. This is the formula of the complex, which is incremented with option B here. So that's the answer.